Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have to talk about Prabodham brand. Prabodham means divine touch. The Prabodham brand basically aim and goals bringing out a luxury products to the audience without any synthetic preservative or harmful chemicals. The brand basically has launched four products, which is face wash, body wash, moisturizer and shampoo. So get back to products. The products come in single flavor of orange and ginger. The Prabodhan face wash proved great for improving skin structure. This face wash is really light, flavor is really well. It suits all type of skin, so we use daily also. The orange and ginger mixer helps clearing out all the blemishing and acne. Its small ginger balls help your skin so clear out and gives you natural glow. So after wash my face, I feel like my skin looks so brighter, smoother and blemish free. Thank you, Prabodhan. This is highly recommend for me. The Prabodhan shampoo is anti-dandruff and high nourishment shampoo. Also is deep conditioning. The Prabodhan shampoo works on all the hair type and can be used like oily scalp or dry scalp. It doesn't dry out your hair and it gives your hair tangle free and frizz free shinier look. As you can see, after wash my hair looks healthier, thicker and shinier. So I am love with shampoo as well. If you have body acne or sun damage your skin, this body lotion is perfect for you. Prabodham body lotion is repair and nourish your skin and you will get silkier and softer, smoother skin. This lotion is really amazing. It's absorb quickly on your skin and it doesn't make my skin oily or sticky. So it's work well on my skin. It's long lasting plus got a very fresh aroma. Which you kind of very calm, and the best part of all of this have a single fragrance which really calm your mind because single essence flow throughout your body. Is paraben free. The Prabodham body wash leaves your skin into royal essence when you comes out. So these are 4 products we're talking around. You guys definitely checking the products out on Prabodham on Insta or the official website. So I am here creating link in description, so you guys definitely go and check around all these products.